In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS entries in Hostinger. If you need to connect your domain to a website, email service, or another online tool, adding the correct DNS records is an important step. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process fairly simple once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access your domain's DNS settings and add a new record correctly. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. This is where you'll manage your hosting, domains, and other account settings. Once you're inside, look for the Domains section. This area contains all the domains connected to your account, so if you have more than one, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After opening the Domains section, find the domain you want to update and click Manage. This will take you into that domain settings page where you can control several important options related to the domain. From there, look for the DNS option and click it to open your DNS management area. Inside the DNS settings, you'll be able to create a new DNS entry. To do that, simply click on the Type field. This is where you choose the kind of DNS record you want to add. For example, depending on what service you're setting up, you might need an A record, a key name record, a TXT record, or another type. Make sure you select the exact record type required by the service you're trying to connect, because choosing the wrong one can prevent the setup from working properly. Once you've selected the record type, enter the rest of the required details. These details usually include things like the host name, value, target, or IP address, depending on the type of record you selected. It's a good idea to double-check everything before saving, since even a small typo can cause problems. Also, be careful not to overwrite existing records unless you're sure they're no longer needed. When all the information has been entered, click Add Record. That will save your new DNS entry to Hostinger. After that, keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly. In some cases, updates can begin working within a few minutes, but full propagation may take longer. So if the change doesn't seem active right away, give it a little time and check again later. And that's how to add DNS entries in Hostinger.